Hi there, in this video I'll share with you action to create double light effect in Photoshop. Stay tuned. First, you can download the action in the description. Then we'll import it to our Photoshop. Go to Edit, Preset, Preset Manager. Drop down menu in Preset Type and select Pattern. Choose Load. Then load double light pattern you just downloaded. Close it. Go to Window, Action. Click to this icon, select Load Action. Load the double light action. Next, I'm going to select this man. Go to Select, Subject. Pick up Quick Selection tool to select the micro on the right as well. You can also use Pen tool to make the selection since the stand is easy to select with this tool. Change foreground color to red. Create a new layer and press Alt or Option Delete to fill red to it. Head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set radius at 2 pixels. OK. Drop down menu in Double Light Photoshop Action. In here you can see the second row. Select Layer Area. So now we have to change the name of this layer to Area before running the action. Alright, choose the action and hit play. The processing will consume a bit of time since it takes a lot of steps to create this effect. There you go. I named each folder so you can check one by one. Then adjust the opacity if needed. Put all of them into a group. Next, I'll add some pocket light to the image. Take this photo to our project with Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Then Ctrl V to paste it. Adjust the position with Ctrl T. Right click to it and select Flip Vertical to match with the below layer. Then change blend mode to screen. Open curve with Ctrl M. Bring down midtone to darken image just a little. Use erase tool, opacity 50%. Paint on the areas you want to remove the curve effect. That's it. If you like this video, follow our channel with the subscribe button. Bye bye.